In Imperial Russia, status was measured in dwarfs.
A formidable collection, my lord.
We are his pride.
Owning a dwarf meant wealth. Serious wealth. In the 17th and 18th centuries, nobles collected them as symbols of power. Some were purchased abroad. Others were taken from poor villages, often as children. Those with visible deformities were considered the most valuable.
The court is assembled, madam.
Indeed, sir, a most distinguished gathering.
Your presence honors us.
They say,
they dance,
la la la, they say,
la la la, they dance.
oh, they say,
They mocked priests and ministers for the amusement
Of their masters.
Then came Peter the Great.
I will drag you kicking and screaming into the modern world.
He turned spectacle into policy.
This you bind shall bow to Real's law.
Let it be written and proclaimed.
Forward, march!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Eyes front!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Guests were expected to treat the performance as serious. This is not an occasion for levity.
In 1710, he arranged a wedding between two dwarfs. My lady, I am yours.
and I yours.
It mirrored a recent aristocratic ceremony in his own family.
What a joke!
Hilarious!
Stop! This is humiliating!
The custom endured for decades across the empire.
Until slowly society began to question the cruelty behind the display.
How could we have been so blind?